So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on WAEC Physics Exam Revision Series, we have here these three WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic equilibrium of forces. So guys, this video will be about center of gravity and stability. So in short, to stay till the end of this video as we just have just these three questions to answer. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following statements describes a body in a stable equilibrium correctly? A person walking on a straight rope. B, a ball in the middle of a hemispherical ball. C, a ball on a smooth horizontal table. And then D, a ball resting on an inverted hemispherical ball. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. A ball that is in the middle of a hemispherical ball will actually be in an equilibrium state. So it won't be moving randomly. It will just be at that fixed point. So in such a scenario, it is an example of a stable equilibrium. And that's option B here. That's the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, when a body is slightly tilted, it is found that its center of gravity is slightly raised. What is the state of equilibrium of the body? We have A, stable, B, neutral, C, cannot be determined, D, unstable. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's unstable. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 and the last here. It says, a uniform meter rule of mass 90 grams is pivoted at the 40 cm mark. If the rule is in equilibrium with an unknown mass m placed at the 10 cm mark and a 72 gram mass at the 70 cm mark, determine m. So guys, actually using the principle of moment, the clockwise is equal to the anti-clockwise. We are going to have that since the meter rule is 90 grams and it is placed at mark 40 cm to be pivoted, and then we have another mass of 72 grams that is placed at mark 70. That's actually like 30 cm from the initial fixed point. So let's say the 90 grams takes the first 10 cm and then this the next 20 cm. So that's a total of 30 cm here. So on the anti-clockwise here, we are going to still have this, the mass placed on the 10 cm mark, to be equal to the sum of these masses. That's 90 grams plus 72 grams, and that's 102 grams here. So option A is the answer to this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on WAEC examination. This will help you a lot even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.